Flea Ruzic with Team Ripper. Let me tell you a little story about BP Fab. I started out as a mechanic with Brad Loyet, and we won something like 30 or 40 races together over a 2-year span. Well, in the process of that, Brad wanted to learn how to fabricate stuff. So in his off days at school and going to college, he would come up to my shop on Tuesdays. I'll never forget it. Every Tuesday he'd show up at like 9 a.m. and I'd teach him how to weld and fabricate stuff. Well, Brad since has turned all that into a business of his own, BP Fab. And ever since he started out, we've had aluminum pieces and machine pieces, and we've even run Jacob's ladders and a lot of other stuff that he's built. And it's pretty cool to see everything come full circle. And Brad developed the business that he's in. So it started out, me working on his cars and him buying parts off of me, and now Brad does work for me and supplies parts for my cars. So it's pretty neat. BP Fab, they make everything in America. It's good quality stuff. Get you some.